Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 on your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the first line we have a name. Tap at this line and you can write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click Done button at the right bottom to save this new name. But if you have iOS 26, you will have checkmark button, not Done. So tap at this button, and if we go back, you can see that we changed the name. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!